For the last 50 years, Dutch ovens have not been made by the Dutch. Hey, Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. Today we're going to be looking at the Combekk Dutch Oven line. So we got them unboxed. These are heavy duty pieces of equipment. Let's take a closer look at each of these. So here we have our Combekk Dutch ovens. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Combekk first. Combekk is based in the Netherlands, so they are actually making Dutch ovens on Dutch soil. The other great thing about Combekk is that this is 100% recycled iron. And it's not just any iron, it's iron with a story. So the iron that's used in both of these is actually made from recycled railroad tracks. So this is their Rails series. So all of their pans that they're currently producing are going to be made from that awesome recycled iron. They're actually working on their next project, which is going to be made from recycled prison bars. So that's something I think Combekk is so awesome at, is that they are not only making environmentally friendly pans, but they're also giving a cool story behind each and every pan that they make. So let's take a look at these pans. We've got a couple different colors up here. We've got a black and we've got a gray. They've got a few other colors that you can view on our website. These are very heavy duty Dutch ovens. They do come with a couple little rubber things that you can attach to the edges of these pans. That's for long-term storage, so you're not going to chip the enamel whenever you put the lid on here. So not only these are cast iron pans, they're enamel cast iron. So you're going to get all the cool benefits of cast iron, like that nice heat distribution. It's going to keep in the heat very well. But the enamel coating is going to allow you to clean this incredibly easy. A lot of people are scared of cast iron because they're like, oh, it's going to rust. I have to take special care of it. I've got to season it. This enamel coating on the outside and on the inside is going to just make it so much easier to take care of. You can wash this with soap and water. As long as you don't toss it in the dishwasher, you should be fine. So this is their largest pan, and on the bottom, I think this is really cool. Just a little artistic design. This is the origin of the pan. So it says Combekk and then it's the Rails series. So whenever they release a new series, they will change the stamp as well. So put that back down. And I'm going to show you the lid real quick. It's got a nice silver knob on the top and it's got their logo on there, Combekk. And then we'll flip it around. And you're going to see that it is actually made in the Netherlands. So guys, Dutch oven from the Netherlands. Can't get more real than that. Another thing you're going to notice is these little bumps right here. And these little bumps are actually going to help the condensation that's forming in the pan drip back down onto your food. And that's going to give you a more moist end product. So they've got some awesome features on all of their pans, and something that's really interesting that I haven't seen in any other pan, they also have a version that has a built-in thermometer. So this is going to be perfect for telling the temperature on the inside of the pan. So you can't really visually see with any pan if it's hot or if it's cold. So the thermometer is actually going to let you know when it's at a low heat, when it's at a medium heat, when it's at a high heat. So you know when to toss your food in, you know when it's at a low heat for a long simmer. There's just so many nice little things that you can do with this thermometer. Also would be great for deep frying. So if you need to know the temperature of your oil that you want to deep fry in, thermometer is built right onto the pan. There's no guesswork at all, and it's going to make cooking a lot easier. We're going to do a test drive with these Combekk pans, and we're going to make some wine braised short ribs. Combekk did an awesome job making our beef short ribs. I got a really nice hard sear on each side of the short rib, and this lid is very heavy, so it kept all the moisture inside of the pot, making a moist and delicious short rib. Combekk has really impressed me with everything that they've made, from their cast iron pots to even the apron that I'm wearing right now. So they have 100% genuine Dutch leather aprons, oven mitts, and more. You can check those out on our website at everythingkitchens.com. Guys, Combekk needs to come into your kitchen. Their cast iron pots are just top notch. I love that they're made from 100% recycled iron, and they're made from railroad tracks. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give us that thumbs up. If you had any questions about what you saw today, you can leave us a comment below, and subscribe to Everything Kitchens on YouTube for more chef reviews and unboxing videos.